No, look, it says I have, wait a second. Does it happen for you also? I know, it's like, it says, okay, here it says I have 27,921 gems. And when I go to my thing, and they saying that, fman is back, and that he put these colored gloves, and, and, and now when I open my shop, I have 0 gems. And there's nothing in shop, guys. Question 102 maybe? I don't know. This is odd. You know, this kind of stuff. Did you just call them stupid? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna take, a picture of this. Sorry, guys, just opening my snip into a screenshot. I'm taking a snip. Yeah, that's what I meant. I'll put okay. This is so Zena. So it's like, why can't I buy anything? Someone in Zama Township is like, why can't I buy anything? Why can't I buy anything? And someone's like, it's blank. It's blank did it. It's to show how thankful AJHQ is for every jammer. Every glove in jammer is on sale for 50. How do you know he didn't open the other stuff also? The Feast of Thanks. The feast. What place? I know. Azina, I don't know if they hear you. Okay. No, for me, because I'm also. Seriously. Serious. I know. Same.
Da. Kad mai
What?
stai băștată să mă scrie, dar tu nu chiar.
I restarted my page and it's still loading because you know how laggy my computer is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was gonna say 4. Okay. My computer is laggy. My page. It's logging me in. No. It's supposed to go to where it goes like home page and then it's like San Juan, right in your account and then press play. Not just. Someone's like, I got scaled. I mean, no, scaled by, like it's like he goes back on his account and he has nothing. Yeah, he got hacked. Just now, he like just joined and he's hacked. What? Oops. Zina, BRB. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the thing and I'm gonna find out the weird stuff. What? What's my
Не было, момент човека води с лятото
Okay.
такова читането да събаря за те тунеше да го и каза добър е, уважавам го, нали, като спортист, он е през цялото време много да го уважавам. Аз просто той
So I accept the Jamala Day
и формите, че
What?
българите казват, много българи, много повечето, много разгледат много ръката.
No, don't.
Как може, он е лесно го,
What happened?
он направо нямаше никой, не бяха даже изписани, нали?
Someone's asking where are the new soft gloves.
Видяхте.
Hi. See now, I have an idea. I'm not sure if this is going to be useful or not, but... Okay. Did I even press? Oops. I'm not starting the video here, guys. Bye. Sorry.